In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your username on CoinMarketCap. Whether you're updating your online persona or just feel like a fresh start, adjusting your username is a simple process. Let's dive in and walk through it together, step by step. First things first, you're going to want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the CoinMarketCap website. You can easily do this by typing in coinmarketcap.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on the main homepage, which is filled with all sorts of cryptocurrency prices, charts, and data. It can seem a bit overwhelming if you're not used to it, but don't worry. We're here to focus on changing your username. Next, you need to locate the settings option. Usually this is represented by a little gear icon. On CoinMarketCap, this gear icon might be found in the upper right corner of the page, possibly near your profile picture or account name. If you're logged in, go ahead and click on that settings icon. This will take you to the settings page where you can manage various aspects of your CoinMarketCap account. Now that you're on the settings page, you should see a variety of options related to your account details. Look for the section that allows you to change your username. It should be pretty straightforward once you're on this page. There will be a field labeled username or something similar with your current username already displayed. Click on this field so you can start typing your new desired username. Here's a little tip while you're on this step. Make sure your new username is both unique and memorable. It has to be unique because CoinMarketCap might not allow you to select a username that's already taken by another user. You also want it to be memorable for your own ease of access. Once you've typed in your new username, double check for any typos or errors. It's easy to miss a mistyped letter, and you'll want to make sure everything is just how you want it. With that done, it's time for the final and perhaps most critical step, saving your changes. There should be a button either labeled Save or Save Changes somewhere on that page. Go ahead and click it. This action will update your username to the new one you just entered. And that's it. You have successfully changed your username on CoinMarketCap. If everything's been done correctly, you should see the new username reflected on your profile. It really is as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, whether you're keeping up with the latest crypto trends or customizing your profile, CoinMarketCap makes it easy to manage your account settings.